Hey, Doc.
Hi, Shark. What seems to be the problem?
Well, I don't know. I go to work. I come home. I just feel blah. I feel listless. I'm tired. I don't feel like doing anything. I don't know where to start. What do I do, Doc? What do I got?
Oh, you're feeling like you're trying really hard?
Yeah.
Like you can't do it well enough?
Yeah. Like, no matter what I do, it's not good enough.
Ah, I see. I think I know what you have.
What?
I think you've got a case of perfectionititis
Perfectionititis?
with a touch of stucky-stuckyitis.
Stucky-stuckyitis?
Yes, I think that you have an underdeveloped self-esteemo gland.
Oh. Is that serious?
Well, it can be if left untreated. But luckily you came in here today, so I think I can help you.
Really?
And you know what? You're lucky, because if you had waited much longer, you would have had a bad case of couch potato butt.
No! How's my butt? Did it look okay?
It's a little bit of couch potato, but not bad.
No.
We can reverse it.
Oh, no.
Don't worry.
Oh.
So, for the perfectionitis, I need you to follow after me, okay?
Okay.
I want you to go.
Like, what? Like, huh?
Just go.
You mean just go...
Yeah, and you can do some movement too. Go boinga 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 boinga.
Like, boinga, boinga, boinga. Am I doing it right, Doc?
You know what? There's not a right way to do it. You just
Really?
got to do it. You got to make sound, make noise,
Boinga, 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 boinga.
do
Boinga,
weird,
boinga, 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 boinga,
do
boinga,
something
boinga.
loud, do something soft.
Blah, blah.
Oh, how you feel?
Hey,
Does it
I
a
don't
little
feel so bad.
Feel-
It feels pretty good.
that
I
way?
feel a little energized, in fact.
Ooh, yeah, that'll help with the perfectionitis a lot.
Okay.
Okay, so for the stucky-stuckyitis,
Mm-hmm.
feel like your boss always telling you what to do?
Oh, yeah.
You get a little frustrated.
Yeah.
You don't know what to do about it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
man.
okay, so for that, I want you to take one of these crayons.
One of these?
Yeah. Any color you like. Choose a nice
This
color.
one? This
Do you like that color?
I like the purple.
Okay, but so then you're going to take it, you go, ba 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 ba. Yeah, it's scribble it. Just go, ah! Let it, scribble, 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 and put it all in.
Hey, oh,
Yeah,
that
choose
color.
another color. Choose another color you like. Doesn't have to look like anything. Just go with the feel. Go with the color. Let the color speak to you. Let the movement speak to you. How does that feel?
Huh.
You feel better?
Yeah.
Is it working?
It's a little weird. It's a little different.
It's a little
But
weird.
I kind of like it. I like the shapes.
Yeah.
Huh.
So that'll help your stucky-stuckyitis.
Yeah.
And these exercises practiced daily will help you develop your self-esteemo gland to be nice and strong.
Yeah?
And your couch potato butt will go away completely.
No.
Yeah.
Really?
It'll be all better soon. So,
All right. Well, thanks, Doc.
you're welcome.
Yeah.
You're going to be okay. Just
all right.
practice every